How to see sent friend requests on Facebook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see the requests that you've sent on Facebook. Alright, so first thing you want to do is launch your application and make sure that you're on your home page. Now, once you are here, what you want to do is go to your menu section. But before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so here you can see different tabs on your profile. So if you tap on see more, here are different more tabs. Just tap on find friends or friends, something like this right here. You can also find the friends tab up right here. It's not showing on my screen. So in order to show it up on the tab, I'm just gonna go to my settings and then preferences. Under preferences, I'm gonna go on tab bar and customize the bar. So here I have hidden any. You don't have any hidden shortcuts. So if your friends or friend request is hidden there, it's not showing there, you just want to pin it. So if I just pin this tab, I will be able to see this right here. So now, alright, once you are on this tab, what you want to do is tap on friend requests and it will show up all of the requests that you've gotten. It's not the ones that you've sent, but the ones that you've gotten from other people. And from here, just tap on the three dots at the top right, and you see an option to view sent requests. Just tap on it and all of the requests you've sent will be listed right here. And if you want to cancel the request, just do it from here. And it's as easy as that. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.